So guys, look, it's time to go camping, and the trailer's been sitting out here for quite a while. You can see all this stuff on it. I'm gonna blow it off with the blower first, and we're gonna get it washed down because we're going camping this weekend. Thank God it's just a small camper. It's not gonna take that much to do. So let's get started. Well, looks like most of it's going to have to be washed off with water. I was hoping I could just get some of the dust off to begin with, but we got to get going. Look at this mess. Can't go to campsites looking like a bum in ghetto. Got to hook it up. We'll go ahead and get the nozzle on the hose. Let's get things started here. This is a nice setup because you can take this off and put the foaming on it, as I'll show you later. Let's go ahead and get this on it so we can start spraying it down. Let's get the back of it clean. What a difference. Okay, let's see what we can do about these fenders now. This area. What a mess. Okay, let's get it all dried down. It's pretty easy. I like this material. Just dries right on there. There's some a few little streaks on here. don't know if you can see them. Me being a little anal retentive, I can see them. Like right here. See these little streaks? They don't come off. I got some special stuff to get that off with. But yeah, things are coming together. Now this stuff, tough green, it'll get those streaks off of here. Watch this. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Wipe. Wipe. They're gone. See? It's crazy. Gone. Again, all this crap that's here, watch. Squirt, squirt, squirt. It's gone. 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 Okay guys, I'm about to show you the finished product. Only took about an hour. That's the advantage of having a small trailer like this. But I'll show you the final results. And I can't complain. We're pretty much ready to go camping. Remember, if you like what I'm showing you, follow, subscribe, and like the Cleve's Insights. We have all kinds of material like this to show you guys. It's crazy. We'll see you on the next one after I show you all this stuff. Bye.